hit that next target. And I mentioned in my previous video that a snap of this primary trend line here off the mid-May lows would offer an objective short trade entry, especially off this beautiful, stunning evening doji star bearish continuation pattern, and we snapped it. Good for a 27.3% crash there. And I had mentioned that a snap of this 28,863 big support with multiple and continuous multi-year reactionary lows to help validate this really big support 28,863. We snapped it, and I had mentioned that it put in a secondary sell signal if we did, and we never looked back. And I had mentioned in my previous video that it was going to happen really quickly, really fast, especially with these massive air pockets that we have all in between with no hardly any support below, any room floor to go. And here we are, still selling off. It looks like we actually came out and back tested to 22,765 to the button here, and we're starting to slowly sell off of that 22,765 minor resistance there. It was minor support. It's now been taken out, and it is minor resistance now. You know, could we have a potential consolidation period here? Wait out for the Fed meeting on Wednesday. That's absolutely possible. And again, this is exactly where I said this awkward looking flag would go. And talk about perfect measurement. And again, it doesn't fail to amaze me how many times do I see a perfect measurement of the flagpole to the next flagpole of this crazy looking consolidation period with the the evening doji star bearish continuation pattern set in place. And again, this was 27% drop. That was a 27% drop right off the flagpole. Never fails to amaze me how amazing some of these technical pinpointed measurements could actually hit right to the button. And you'll see it in my previous video, that 22,765. So here we are. We do have another air pocket underway. We do have some pretty oversold conditions. We have the MACD already crossing over pretty substantially here with the beautiful negative and bearish divergences constructing really on all three indicators. And we've got that crossover and a momentum fueled overshoot over the zero line off the oscillator. Very bearish. I think there's still more room to fall here. There's just such a huge velocity in this drop. You know, I do expect some consolidation. There's nothing really here to play off of anything, or really even playing a balance is really risky in my opinion. Momentum indicators still completely damaged here in the hourly, and this is where I had mentioned that a snap of this primary trend line would offer objective short trade entry. And we got that. That's what it was right there. And again, that was good for a huge crash. I had even updated you with the some of these newer primary down and secondary downtrend lines. And the reason why it went so fast, too, in my opinion, was because we put in some potential positive and or bullish divergences with divergence lows. It was starting to snap up to look like a good bullish looking setup, and that's exactly why you got such a huge impulsive sell-off here. But again, beautiful reacting to the technicals, where we bounced up to my 29,317 price resistance, melted right through that 28,702, bounced exactly off of my 28,28 support, back up, back tested two times, put in a double top there, that 28,702 resistance, and we got rejected impulsively, came back up here, rejected again off that primary secondary downtrend line, and never looked back. Oh, wow, what a setup. What a crash. And I suspect some more things to happen. Massive Fed meeting on Wednesday, and that's going to dictate really the fate of the US economy and or global economy, in my opinion. Hit that like, subscribe button if you enjoyed the video on your way out.